Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to manage third-party app access on your Google account. First, we need to get your Google account, so just click on the search bar, right Chrome, click on your profile icon, then on your profile, scroll down, manage accounts on this device, manage your Google account, then scroll down to security, go to your connections to third-party apps and services, see all connections, and here you can choose all of the apps, click on them, then just sign out or do other things. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.